This is your Halloween outlook for the Loudon weather. And a lot of people have been asking about this. So we'll see it. Right now, there does look like there's a rain chance, but the model trends have been drier. So we'll see how that looks. So starting at 2 a.m., this is October 31st, early morning. You see the time up here, showing up in the top here. That shows you what time we're seeing. I'm just going to jump forward. It'll be 3-hour increments. And you can see the green is obviously representing rain. So here it looks like it's kind of dry. Here we are at 8 a.m. Still looking dry, but here we go with some showers. Around 11 a.m. or so, there are some showers that are moving through. They'll be moving through about 2 p.m. Here, some potentially heavier showers around 5. Not a good time because I know that this is where we start to get closer to the darkness and potentially trick-or-treater time. 3 hours later, now we're at 8 p.m. So somewhere between this and this jump, the rain looks like it would clear out of here if we're going by the global forecast model for the American model. You still see that showers could still be around, so I wouldn't bet that there would not be some showers in the evening. But it doesn't look like a major washout. Doesn't look like these would be long, and none of them look really heavier other than this one frame right around 5 p.m. So we'll hopefully that'll move on. It's a little different there on the European. So let's take a look at that. Okay, so here we are on the European, and this is 2 a.m. on that model. Oops. So let's get back to 2 a.m. What I want to show you is, again, this is Loudoun County in case you're wondering where we were centralized. Most people do know, but and this looks like it has a little more rain possible in the European. European has been the wetter model for the most part. Then the GFS jumped on board yesterday with a really wet forecast, and now it's back off. So look, by about 5 a.m., still just a few showers around, but here comes some heavier rain. As you can see, by 8 and then 11, it's coming in from the south. This looks like even potentially some showers and thunderstorms that are going to move through. But here by 5 p.m., you can see it's already starting to push east, but it doesn't move out very fast. So in between 5 and 8 p.m., showers are kind of sticking around. The question is how fast or how quick can these move out? Because these look a little heavier if that's possible. So then you see by midnight, of course, it clears up. So unfortunately, at this point, it looks like rain can start between 11 and 2 p.m., and it could be showers on and off, even up into the evening, at least between around 8 to maybe even 10 or 11 p.m. on Monday. So that's the unfortunate news about the weather, that it has changed from a drier look to a little bit wetter look. So how wet could these showers be? Now, this is a little bit cumulative, so I realize it may be all day long and not into the evening. But you can see, I mean, we're talking a good amount of rain, maybe a quarter to a half an inch. Eastern Loudon's getting heavier. Now, this is a European model, so again, it can be different on the American. Should be different on the American. It should be lighter. Again, this is trended down. It was higher yesterday. And just to show you the difference in the amount of precipitation, here we are on the American model, and that is up to a quarter of an inch. And again, most of that was in showers that were out of here by about 5. That one heavier shower may be why this is so much higher in Western Loudon. But in general, not much precipitation. I mean, you can see here in the eastern part, very little. My whole point is, if it's a drying trend, maybe that trend will be our friend and we'll be dry on Monday. We do need rain. They get a little bit more today than we thought, but anyway, that's it that I see. So let's quickly summarize what we saw. So the Halloween summary right now looks like we will see, too many E's in my Halloween, but well. Some showers do look likely. Temps will be in the 50s during trick-or-treating time. It'll probably get up into the low 60s during the day. It won't be a washout necessarily unless the European comes right. But I think we're going to trend drier because we've seen that the models have gotten drier. The GFS shows less rain and just showery looking. European does show wetter, and it does show some of those showers and storms, which may account for the amount of rain. Again, where those showers and storms are set up will be where you get the most rain. And so at this point, this is what we have. I'll be doing these updates until Monday. Have a good rest of your Wednesday.